Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to run Etsy ads. As an Etsy seller, you know how important it is to get your products seen by potential customers. Etsy ads can help you increase your visibility, drive traffic to your shop, and boost sales. First, you need to set up your Etsy ads account. To do this, go to your Etsy shop and click on the Promotions tab. From there, you can click on the Get Started button to begin the process. You will need to provide some basic information about your shop and your advertising goals. Next, you need to choose your ad type. Etsy offers two types of ads: sponsored ads and shopping ads. Sponsored ads appear at the top of search results pages, while shopping ads appear on the side of search results pages and on other Etsy pages. Now, let's talk about targeting. Targeting is how you choose who sees your ads. You can target by keyword, location, and interests. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, you can target people who are searching for handmade jewelry or people who have shown an interest in jewelry in the past. After you have chosen your ad type and targeting options, you need to set your budget. You can set a daily budget or a total budget for your ad campaign. You also need to set a bid for each ad. The bid is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for each click on your ad. Once you have set up your ad campaign, you can track your results. Etsy provides a range of metrics, including clicks, impressions, and conversions. You can use these metrics to see how your ads are performing and make adjustments to your campaign. Some best practices to keep in mind when running Etsy ads include starting with a small budget and gradually increasing it as you see results. You should also monitor your metrics regularly and make adjustments to your targeting and bidding as needed. Additionally, make sure your ads are relevant and appealing to your target audience, and that they align with your overall marketing goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective Etsy ads that drive traffic to your shop and boost sales. Remember to always monitor your results and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are getting the most out of your ad campaigns.